Hola, and welcome back to another edition of the Corona Cocktail Hour. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Today we're going to make a classic margarita. We'll start by getting our glass here. And we're going to take this Espolón tequila. We're going to use 2 ounces of this. Just like that. And then we're going to use 1 ounce of orange liqueur. In this case, I'm going to use Grand Marnier because I have that and it's an orange liqueur. Use 1 ounce of that, just like so. Then I'm going to take the juice of 1 whole lime. I've got it already pre-squeezed in here, so we're going to throw that in there just like that. And then we're just going to shake it with some ice, just like this. Nice and cold. Pop that out of there just like that. So we get all the cocktail goodness out of there. Then we're going to basically strain this into a rock glass that has a little bit of salt on the rim like this. You just take a lime and you put some kosher salt on the edge or some tequila salt if you get that. We'll strain it just like this. Boom. And then we'll garnish with a lime, just like that. And there you have it, the classic margarita. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Gonna take a sip here. Just a natural blend of that all. Really good cocktail. Got a happy Cinco de Mayo. We'll see you next time on the Corona Cocktail Hour. Bye-bye.